11 Ways to use pineapple as a medicine. Pineapple is a powerhouse of nutrients. It is one of the best sources of vitamin C. A cup of fresh pineapple chunks contain enough vitamin C to meet your entire daily requirement of this important nutrient. It also contains manganese, copper, and a number of B vitamins. However, most of the therapeutic uses of pineapple are primarily attributed to bromelain, a type of enzyme that helps in protein digestion. It also helps in fighting inflammation, prevents abnormal blood clotting and stops growth of certain tumors. Please subscribe, click the bell and share this video with your friends and family too. Pineapple can be used as a medicine in the following ways. 1. Improves digestion. To improve digestion, eat a cup of fresh pineapple cubes between meals. The high concentration of the enzyme bromelain makes fresh pineapple the ideal food for easing digestion OFC. It helps in providing relief from bloating, indigestion and abdominal discomfort that may occur by eating a protein-rich meal. Furthermore, pineapple provides dietary fibers that help in colon cleansing, which is essential for maintaining the optimal health of the digestive system. 2. Treats cough. Studies have shown that pineapple juice is more effective than the standard over-the-counter cough syrups. Moreover, free from artificial ingredients, the pineapple cough syrup is safe for your health. To prepare pineapple cough syrup, you will need 2 cups of fresh pineapple slices, a tablespoon of honey, a tablespoon of grated ginger and juice of a lemon. Put all the ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Take a teaspoon of the pineapple syrup 3 to 4 times a day. 3. Reduces arthritis pain. Bromelain is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. It helps in decreasing production of pro-inflammatory molecules, thereby providing relief from inflammation of the joint tissues. It is loaded with vitamin C and manganese, 2 important nutrients that help in alleviating the symptoms of arthritis. To reduce arthritis pain, drink a glass of fresh pineapple juice on empty stomach. For additional benefit, combine pineapple juice with fresh carrot juice, celery juice, and lemon juice. 4. Lowers blood pressure. Pineapple contains adequate potassium for restoring the normal sodium and potassium balance, which is essential for lowering the high blood pressure level. When combined with nitrate-rich foods such as beetroot, it helps in maintaining the blood pressure level in the normal range. To treat hypertension, put 1/2 cup of pineapple chunks, 1/2 cup of sliced beetroots, 1/2 cup of orange juice, 1/4 cup of celery leaves and a cup of almond milk in a blender. Blend until you get a smooth smoothie. Drink 1 to 2 glasses of the pineapple and beet smoothie daily. 5. Expels intestinal parasite. To expel worms from the intestine, apart from including pineapple in your daily diet, drink a decoction prepared with pineapple skin. Peel the pineapple and cut the skin into small pieces. Add the pineapple skin to a liter of water. Boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Strain the liquid. If desired, sweeten with a teaspoon of honey. 6. Boosts immunity. Pineapples are packed with vitamin C, which is vital for proper functioning of the immune system. It protects the body from viruses and increases your resistance to colds, the flu, ear infections, and other infectious illnesses. Vitamin C also works as an antioxidant to protect the body's cells from free radical damage. Accumulation of free radicals contributes to artery plaque buildup leading to atherosclerosis, a leading cause of cardiovascular disease. 7. Relieves morning sickness. Studies have shown that eating pineapple early in the morning can help reduce nausea and vomiting caused by morning sickness. A folk remedy also suggests drinking pineapple juice to alleviate morning sickness. The nausea-relieving effect can be attributed to its high vitamin and mineral content, especially vitamin B6 that helps relieve pregnancy-induced nausea. When suffering from morning sickness, eat a bowl of fresh pineapple or drink pineapple juice first thing in the morning. 8. Good for weight loss diets. Pineapple is a great fruit for those on a diet to lose weight because it fills you up and provides energy without adding too many calories. 1/2 cup of fresh pineapple has less than 60 calories. The fruit has high water content and is loaded with fiber that keeps you feeling full for longer. You can also create a tincture to facilitate weight loss by cutting a pineapple into chunks, processing it in a meat grinder, pouring it in a mason jar and adding a pint of vodka. Store it in the refrigerator for 1 week. Take 1 tablespoon of this tincture 15 to 20 minutes before eating your meals. Continue until you get encouraging results. 9. Prevents hypertension. Regular consumption of pineapple also reduces the risk of hypertension or high blood pressure as the fruit is loaded with potassium and low in sodium. 1 cup of pineapple contains about 1 mg of sodium and 195 mg of potassium. Higher levels of potassium help lower blood pressure, whereas higher levels of sodium raise blood pressure. 10. Promotes eye health. Being rich in vitamin A, pineapples are good for maintaining eye health and protecting against macular degeneration, a primary cause of vision loss in elderly people. A study published in the Archives of Ophthalmology suggests that consuming 3 or more servings of pineapple daily may lower your risk of developing age-related macular degeneration by 36% compared to those who eat less than 1.5 servings of pineapple per day. 11. Maintains healthy bones. Pineapples are a good source of the trace mineral manganese that is essential for bone health. In fact, low levels of manganese have been associated with bone malformation and bone loss, leading to low bone density and osteoporosis. Manganese also protects cells from free radicals, thereby slowing the aging process and preventing chronic diseases including cancer. A cup of fresh pineapple chunks provides about 75% of your daily requirement for manganese. Avocado pineapple smoothie recipe. Ingredients: 1/2 ripe avocado, 3/4 cup fresh pineapple chunks, frozen is better. 1/2 cup packed fresh spinach leaves. 1/2 frozen banana. 1 cup unsweetened coconut milk, I used silk. 1 tablespoon honey. 1 tablespoon lime juice. 1/4 cup ice. Instructions: add all ingredients to blender and blend until smooth. Garnish with fresh pineapple and coconut flakes. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.